Okay, so I want to show y'all how to create one of the graphs with the standard error bars. So some of the issue people are running into is, and this is mainly my fault, is not putting your average data in one row. People are putting it vertically, and that just doesn't work. Um, I don't know why exactly. I believe it has to do with the y-axis and x-axis with Excel or Google Sheets. But either way, you need your averages because those are your x values horizontally, like the x-axis would be. At least that's what I tell myself. Either way, you got it selected. Go insert, and then you're going to go to chart, and then now you'll see. Okay, cool. We got our 3 bars here. So you're going to go to customize, and then under series, click the series drop down. And then right now it's applied to all series, but you need to select your specific bars. This first column, column 1, this is for the green banana data. Now, when you're making your, when you're going to be truly making your graph, make sure this does say green. The red was overripe, and then yellow, orange, gold, whatever is ripe. Anyways, once you got your column selected, you're going to scroll down and click error bars. And then change the type to constant, not standard deviation, constant. And then this value here, this is where you're going to type in the standard deviation that you calculated for the green bananas. So let's say it was 5. So you put 5 in there. And that's when, looking at the graph here, now you see the error bar. So the average was 45. Now you see it, 40. You see it going up to 45 and then down to 35. So remember, this is a 95% confidence interval. We're 95% certain that our average is between 35 and 45, where it's most likely going to be 40. Okay. Then if you wanted to add the error bar for the middle bar, the ripe banana, go to the drop down menu, and then you're going to select that column and then do the same steps, but you put the standard deviation just specifically for the ripe bananas. While I'm here, I think it's worth pointing out you need to label your axes and then title your chart. You can do that here, the chart and axis titles. What's happening is when you first go to customize, it doesn't have the scroll. Like, you think you're at the very top of all your options, but you have to scroll up. At least that's what tripped me up. So then click that drop down menu. And then vertical axis title, your y-axis, make sure you title that. Remember, your y-axis is your dependent variable. And then your horizontal axis, that's going to be your independent variable. So make sure you label this properly. And then for chart title, you need to have your independent and dependent variable in your chart title. So the effect of the IV on the DV is kind of how you're taught in middle school. But if you find some other, not as mechanical way of titling it, that's fine with me. So there you go. Let me know if you got questions.